Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and French with Anubhav. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we are not taking any separate topic. Instead, we are discussing the pattern of CBSE Class 10 examination question paper for the year 2021. Now, recently I have completed Audition Class 9, which is the CBSE textbook for Class 9. So that book is completely in full, right? But now talking about Audition Class 10, my plan was to begin this with from the month of June, right? But now, since there's a batch going to give exam the next month also, I will be covering certain topics regarding your exam if you are the student who is going to give your exam in May 2021. I will be discussing the question paper pattern and the whole sample paper, and I may take up some important topics also, for which I will be uploading in a bit frequent manner, maybe in alternate days. I will try to cover as much as possible, which would benefit class 10 students who are going to give their board exam in the next month. Talking about the pattern, the examination pattern has changed from before. We have a new pattern. As usual, it's an 80 marker, but it will be divided into two sections. First is part A, and second is part B. Part A will have completely objective type questions, and part B will have subjective type questions. Now, part A and part B, each of 40 marks, are further divided into different sections. So, talking about part A, first section is Culture et Civilisation. So, culture and civilization, questions based on Audition Class 10. Here's the textbook. It's a bit depreciated one because it's the same which I used when I was in 10th, so it's an old book, right? So, from this book, from chapter 1 to 12, there can be MCQs or fill in the blanks, right? Talking about section 2. So section 1 is of 10 marks, right? 5 marks MCQ, 5 marks fill in the blanks. Okay. Talking about section number 2, we have again a 10 marker section. There will be two questions, right? We need to complete a story using the fill in the blanks, right? We need to fill the, like there will be a story given and there will be 5-6 blanks, right? And there will be options in MCQ manner, and then you need to choose the most appropriate word. So there will be two questions, 5 marker each, so it becomes 10 marks. Talking about section number 3, it's grammar, I believe. Yes, it's grammar. So, what all you can have in grammar? You will be having pronom personnel. Pronom personnel is what? La, lui, les, on, I, then lui, la. Like I have discussed it earlier. Right, pronom personnel, personal pronouns will be there. Then pronom relative. You can even get pronom tonique as well. Mind it. Pronom relative, it may happen that you may get both. You may get simple also, composé also. Simple is like qui, que, ou, and dont, and composé is like avec, laquelle, right? Those prepositions and those combined. So pronoun possessive, pronoun relative can come, right? Pronoun possessive is there. Possessive pronouns, la mienne, la tienne. Remember those? If you have watched the video, you must remember that. But if you haven't, I have put the link in the description box below. Negation. Negation, you may get simple negation, no and pas, and you may also get negative expressions. For example, for toujours, ne jamais. For quelqu'un, ne personne. So in that manner, you can be asked questions, right? So these 4-5 types of questions will be asked in your section 3, which is the objective type question. It's of 15 marks, 3 into 5, right? I'm doing one thing. I'm creating a playlist by the name Class 10 CBSE Board Grammar, right? So I will be adding all my videos which I made on the grammar related to Class 10 in that playlist. So you can just visit that playlist and you can go through the whole grammar portion. That would be really helpful. Talking about Oh, yeah, before pronoun partial, there's one more. Question la bonne réponse. For verbs, MCQ for verbs, there will be a sentence given and there will be a verb given. So you need to choose which conjugation is correct. So that question can also come. Talking about section number 4, which is the last portion of section A, part A. So this will be divided into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And part B will also be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, but I have to number it as 5, 6, 7, 8. So a total of 8 sections will be there, 4 in objective and 4 in subjective. Talking about section number 4 of part A, particularly the whole papers, section number 4, you will be having a comprehension passage. Fine. It will be a 5 marker. A passage will be given and MCQs based on this will be given, and you need to tick them all. What else you can get? You may get shell text. You have to, like, from the text you need to find a word which is, say, the nominal form of some verb, or it's the opposite of some word given in the question, or it's the synonym of the word given in the question. In that manner you can be asked. Talking about the subjective portion, part B, first section is section number 5. It will be again Culture et Civilisation. You will be having a choice, like there will be seven questions, I believe, and you have to attempt any 5. It will be a 10 markers, so 2 into 5 is the bifurcation done. And again, these 5 questions which you need to answer will be from lesson 1 to 12 from Entretien class 10. Right. Talking about section number 6, we have expression écrite. Fine. You will be having an informal letter writing. It could be any theme related to the book. For example, être en pleine forme, or like being healthy, or you may have to describe some trip, or in such manner you can be given several questions, right? So expression écrite, informal letter. In fact, I'm having a video done on informal letter also, so you can watch it. The link is in the description box below. Section 7 is again grammar. So you'll be having conjugation, of course, conjugation of the verb. It could be a météo, temps convenable. Blank is given, sentence is given, and in the bracket verb is given, and now you need to select that which tense is applicable, right? And you have to conjugate it accordingly as per the subject and the sentence. Talking about next, we have direct and indirect. From direct indirect, one thing got clicked to my mind. Like, I have posted only 2 videos of direct indirect. Don't think that I have completed that topic. No. As soon as I complete the class 10 portion, the quick revision, I will be in fact continuing with direct and indirect speech. Fine. Because there are certain aspects left to be discussed. Again, we have negatives. It could be simple negation, it could be negative expressions. Then we have trouver la question, question formation. Sentence will be given, some word will be underlined, and based on that word, you need to frame a question. And then we have, of course, the pronouns. It could be any pronoun, pronom possessive, pronom interrogative, pronom personnel, pronom tonique, fine. And lastly, we have section 8. It's a 5 marker comprehension passage. Passage is given and you need to answer. Again, there will be, I guess, 6 to 7 questions, and you will be having a choice of doing any 5. So those 5 questions you need to answer. Each question carries 1 mark. So this was the pattern of your question paper if you are a class 10 student who is going to give your exam in May 2021. Right. So from my next video, what I am going to do is start discussing the sample paper, the CBSE sample paper. I will discuss it word to word, like all the answers will be discussed here. So to give a rough idea how to answer in your actual exam. And of course from June I will be beginning from, I will be starting Entretien class 10. So that's going to be like really good for the next year's batch and the future batches also. Like I have to cover it much faster for this particular batch. So yeah, this was the pattern, and from next class we are doing sample paper, CBSE sample paper class 10 for French. So I would like to put a hold here. So c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel in French with above. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Love French with above. See you in my next video. So thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que l'en français est l'amour.